Hey everyone, Nut For You Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon apple pie cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 6 to 8 medium Granny Smith apples, and you want those peeled and thinly sliced. Then you need 1 1/4 tablespoon of granulated white sugar. So that's 1 tablespoon and then 3/4 of a teaspoon. Then you need 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of superfine white sugar. You can buy that, or I just took my sugar and put it in the NutriBullet. You just want to be sure that it doesn't turn into powdered sugar. So mine is still like, regular sugar. It's just really, really fine. And then you need 3/4 cup of vegetable or canola oil, 3/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. That's all for the pie/cake. Then for the topping, we're going to need 1 1/4 tablespoon of granulated white sugar again. So again, that's 1 tablespoon and then 3/4 of a teaspoon, and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. That's it. And then you're also going to need a springform pan, 9 to 10 inches. So we are going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and spray our pan with cooking spray. Alright, my pan is sprayed, and next it says you could add a layer of parchment paper if you want, but I'm not going to do that. So next it says to layer the apple slices in the pan until they come up 2/3 of the way up the sides. Okay, my apples are all in there, and I just kind of layered them the best I could. So next we are going to go ahead and sprinkle the cinnamon sugar over the apples. So I'm going to mix my little cinnamon and sugar together and then sprinkle it over the apples. Okay, my cinnamon and sugar is all mixed, so I'm just going to sprinkle that over top of the apples. Alright, that looks and smells amazing already. So now we are just going to put this to the side and get to work on the cake. Okay, so for the cake, in a large bowl, we are going to beat our superfine sugar and our 3 eggs until they are light and fluffy. So that's about 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next we are going to add in the oil, applesauce, and vanilla and beat that until it is combined. Alright, that looks pretty well combined. I just mixed it until my oil was all incorporated. So next we are going to add in our flour, a little bit of it at a time, and just mix it again. Alright, the cake batter looks great, so we are just going to pour that gently over top of our apples in our pan. Alright, my cake batter is on top, so next we are going to mix together the rest of our sugar with our cinnamon and sprinkle it all over top. Okay, that looks great. So next we are just going to tap the bottom on the counter just a few times to allow the batter to sink down to the bottom and around the apples, and then we're going to bake that for 1 hour and 20 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Okay, my cake just came out of the oven and I just put it on a cooling rack still in the pan. You have to let it cool completely before you try to slice into it, or it could break apart. You may even want to stick it in the refrigerator before slicing it, but we'll just let this cool off and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, my cake is completely cooled and I removed the ring, and now I am going to cut into it and see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, my cake is cut, and I have a piece here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Nut For You Mama, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.